Hi there. The rest of September and also the remaining portion of the year, we talk about the last quarter of this year 2022, is going to be a big time for the cryptocurrency market. And I'm saying so because most likely we're bound to see a crazy bullish reversal, whereby cryptocurrencies out there are going to take off. The prices of cryptocurrency are going to start increasing. We're bound to see a very good run with regards to positive price action for the rest of the year. By the way, if you are a cryptocurrency investor or a crypto enthusiast out there, what do you think? Do you think that the rest of the year is going to be good for cryptocurrency? Drop your thoughts down below in the comment section. Comment down below. But I'm very certain it's going to be a good time for cryptocurrency. In no way is this financial advice. Do your own research before investing in cryptocurrency, because the risk you're going to be delving into is going to be borne by you, right? Having said that, you are all welcome to the Money Daily YouTube channel. My name is Avalance Sifuna. Let's dissect all this. Why am I saying so? I'm saying the rest of this year is going to be big for cryptocurrency. Reason being, we've all seen at the start of this particular point in time, the market has been in a bear or doji, whereby prices kind of go up, go down, and so forth. But aggregate, the price have generally dipped big. Because you talk about, for example, Bitcoin alone, November last year was at about 65K. Guys, talk about right now, Bitcoin, for example, being at 21K. But I foresee the rest of the year is going to start moving towards the 60K again or so. That aside, also, the different developments out there by companies, advancements by different companies out there. Talk about Ethereum, talk about Cardano companies, and so forth. All these coming together, and in fact, they are being released this September. It's going to be a huge catalyst for the market, for prices to start increasing and increasing. And that, coupled with the possibility of huge institutional investors or even individual high net worth investors out there putting money down on cryptocurrency, is going to cause a huge desired volatility in the market, which is going to cause movements with regards to noise traders and also informed traders out there taking positions. And all this is going to push the price of cryptocurrency out there high and high, right? Given this, what are the main releases going to happen in the next few days? Of course, starting this week, which actually is mid-September, we're going to see, for example, Ethereum making one of the biggest changes made in the cryptocurrency space over the past few years. In essence, it rolling out the merge. Okay? The merge is going to come to fruition this mid-September. In essence, it is a redefinition of the protocol anchoring Ethereum. In essence, proof of work to proof of stake, which by the way is going to be big because it's going to save energy with regards to how Ethereum is mined, and also it's going to save time with regards to how fast transactions happen in the market. And all of us know, for example, there are multiple cryptocurrencies, alternative coins out there riding on the Ether ecosystem. This is going to be big because it's going to herald a new change in the space, which by then is going to have a ripple effect. Just beyond Ethereum, which actually is the second most dominant cryptocurrency, also we have a handful of different cryptocurrencies out there and alternative coins which ride on the Ether ecosystem and the Ether network. This is also going to cause a spiral effect on these cryptocurrencies, and their price is going to rise real fast. By the way, the merge is going to go live in the next few days. What do you think? This aside, also going to see the Vasil Fork. This, by the way, is on the Cardano front. We're going to see the Vasil Fork, which is going to happen. And by the way, also guys, this is going to cause a shift with regards to Cardano price increasing, and also Cardano being among the top 8 cryptocurrencies out there is going to have a ripple effect on other cryptocurrencies and alternative coins. And we're going to see also price increase across multiple of this in the market. I'm really excited because I can't wait to see what the month of September holds in the cryptocurrency space. All this is going to be big. Based upon this, what do you need to do if you're an investor out there, right? Because all this heralds positive things for the market. So what do you need to do? The very first thing you need to do is continue investing and holding for the long term. What do I mean? Guys, over time duration, we talk about any financial market out there, seeing the price of different assets under it increasing and increasing. And by the way, this is also the same for the cryptocurrency, right? Over the years, we've seen crypto increasing in value and prices over time, which by the way is going to continue happening. And the people are making money in this space, even though not very high percentage of monies, or even those who are taking risks, for example, through day trading and so forth, even those who are investing in the long term are able to make that consistent gain and gain year in, year out. Because the prices of cryptocurrency are going to continue increasing based on developments and also positive news from the market. So hold. Invest for the long term and you're going to be able to make money in this space, right? And then The second thing you need to do is that understand, be opportunistic. Jump in the space at the right time. What do I mean? If you get into a space early, you're going to have an opportunity at making money compared to someone who gets into a space late. So if you are a cryptocurrency enthusiast, be on the lookout. Try to know what is happening, whether it is at the core of the cryptocurrency or even offsets of it. For example, we saw, a few years ago, offsets such as NFTs coming to be. So be on the radar out there, trying to understand what is happening in the space, what is new. And if there's something that's exciting, jump in early. You're going to have a propensity of making money. As more and more people come on board, the price of these particular assets are going to continue increasing, and the process is going to be able to make good amounts of money. And then third and related to that, understand that knowledge is power. What do I mean? Guys, the market consists of 95% noise traders. Only a few are informed traders. So be among the informed traders out there, right? Who know what they are doing in the market. Know, understand, for example, technical analysis. Understand, for example, fundamental analysis. Know how to interpret news and so forth, for you to be able to make wise decisions in the cryptocurrency space. And by the way, if you master these, you're going to be able to make informed decisions which are not really wavered by movements in the market or even what individuals out there say. Because the cryptocurrency space is marred by fathers, people spreading fear so as to gain, people who are actually proxies of wealth out there so as to make money in the space. So be on the lookout, grasp all the knowledge you can grasp, ensure you practice so that you'll be able to make firm decisions without being wavered, okay? And then the fourth thing which you need to do in this space is also understand that you don't need to panic. More so, when there's crashes in the market, don't panic. And I'm saying so because the moment you panic, you're going to be able to lose money and in fact even cash out at the point which you're not supposed to cash out because of temporary dip in prices. And another thing that this market has very, very huge or very high level of illiquidity. In essence, you can be able to cash out without issues when the market is crashing. So understand that you don't need to panic. Over time, there will be price correction. And the price of this particular assets you've invested in are going to be able to move towards their intrinsic value. And the process is going to be able to make money, right? And then the last pointer, which you need to maybe exploit, is actually join a key community. We have lots of crypto communities out there, whether you're talking about Reddit, Twitter, and so forth. Join a community, get a better regards to what is happening, stay in touch, learn from your peers, and hopefully over time, all of us are going to be able to build a very robust crypto community. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I look forward to sharing with you other awesome videos next time. Bye-bye, and you all take care.